Welcome to Homework Lib.
What are the products and mechanism of the following reaction? First, butadiene gets protonated by protons produced from HBr by its dissociation. The carbocation is stabilized by conjugation with a double bond. So now the positive charge is distributed between two carbons. Either of those carbons can be attacked by bromide produced from HBr by dissociation and lead to two different products. If this site is attacked, it will give this product. And if this site is attacked, it will give this product.